he looks good. His skin looks good. He eats enough, and I think he's adjusted better already. Although again, nothing is ideal in this situation. Feels a bit lonely sometimes. He did mention kanina. I think he was a bit sad while saying this, but he said, at least you won't be embarrassed of me kasi wala akong ginawang masama. And then I held his hands and I said, Papa, no one's embarrassed of you. All 5 of us, including Mira, are very proud to be your flesh and blood. Everyone outside. And I mentioned also na pagpasok ko kanina, nandito na kayo, nandito si Alvin. Tsaka may naabutan pa nga ako kanina. Sino yun si Madam? Maingay masyado ba? Kahit nandun ako kasi I was a bit delayed while going in kasi may kasabay akong pumasok. So there can't be traffic inside. I waited sa my door, tapos narinig ko si Madam, bakit nandito ka? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, maingay talaga itong mga Bisaya. So